Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So this is an exciting video doing a mature summer makeup look with new products. We're launching a sale and pre-order today. I'm going to show you all of the details in this video. Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. All right, ladies, we're going to start off with my Rose Lip Balm and we're going to hydrate the lips first before we do anything. This is such a great hydrator because by the time I get to my lips, they are nice and moisturized. So I'm going to also use the Chantecaille. This is the 24 karat gold serum intense. They sent this to me, but I want everything that's really golden and beautiful. And we are launching our sale today for 4th of July. It's one of our largest sales. And we are also putting on pre-order our Creme Brulee, which is our new hybrid bronzer made specifically for mature skin, and our Nikita Banana. I'm going to be showing you what these products look like. I'm going to put the serum on just to really get some hydration. Serum is on. Then I'm going to go into a blush palette, one of the blushes that are coming out in July, and then I'm going to be showing you my BB cream. I know you've been waiting a very long time for the BB cream. This is a very long process, and I'm not going to bore you with logistics and how it all works, but it just needs everybody to know it. Maybe it will make sense a little bit more that I'm not this huge company that has a big board and all these different people doing all these different jobs. I am formulating the product. I'm the makeup artist. I know exactly what I want. I know exactly what I want in the product. I know how I want it to perform. And I know your skin because I have you on my Fierce Aging series. And I have been very specific about what I want and how I want the product to look, how I want the product to feel. And it's not just about looks. I want the product to function for you. Like you can open the compact. You know that if you are my customer, you know that's been a little bit of a struggle and I've addressed that for you. So I'm going to be showcasing all these really fabulous sneak peeks because this is product that's coming out. So we're going to first start off with our, of course, eye primer. I'm going to the base of my lashes all the way up to my brow bone. This is in light medium. It's a universal color for the eye. It's just going to basically be like a color corrector, but this is going to set up your eye for your eyeshadow so your eyeshadow does not crease. It lasts all day and you can see the big difference, right? This is going to be nice and primed. This is not, I will never get the look I want if I just go from the eyeshadow pan to my eye without priming it. Eye primer is on. Now, this is a new eyeshadow that I've been using in a lot of my videos, not makeup tutorials, but just my videos. And I've had a lot of questions in the comments below my YouTube videos or over on Instagram. And it's called the Cabana. So I don't have it. These are my lab samples. So I'm just going to be applying it. But this is such a beautiful, this is going to be your go-to. You're going to love this. And I thought it was about time we came out with a new eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the middle color from the base of the lash over to the end of my eye and in the inner corner. And this is just a nice sheen. Again, like I have told you, I love sheen on mature eyes. You should not shy away from that. This is not glitter. It's not sparkle. This is not going to age your eye. It's going to look beautiful, very natural, and give you just enough light on that eyelid to really have your eyes pop. I'm going to take the first color that would be in the 3-Well palette, and I'm going to just do a little bit on the brow bone here. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush, go into the deepest color that we have in this palette, and I'm going to go across my lashes here. And then I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a triangle just right in here. Beautiful, soft. And that's really what I love. My eyeshadows are made in Italy. I wanted them to be blending beautifully together. As you can see, very, very little effort. So it's just nice and blended. Go more, go less. It's up to you. Blend with your finger if you want to. Remember, we don't have anything on our skin, so I can clean up in a minute afterwards. This has been my go-to. You can see you get enough depth, not too much, it's not harsh, and you don't feel like you're over applying your eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is on, very simple, every day, very approachable. Now I'm going to just clean up just a tad. I have my Shiseido cotton here. I have my Elemis White Flowers Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. This is a bi-phase makeup remover. Really love it because it doesn't leave my eye area dry. Just a dab. And then I clean up if there's anything underneath. I want it to be really nice and clean. I'm going to just take my eyelash curler, curl my lashes. Lashes are curled, going in with my dark chocolate waterproof eyeliner. And I'm going to just take it like I normally do with that little flick at the end. So I can just give a little lift, and I'm going to just thicken up the lash line. And I think I'm going to just do it like 3/4. I don't need to go all the way to the middle of my eye. I just want really that ending to look really just pretty and just a little bit thicker. What I'll do also is that if I feel like it has too much pigment for the liner, I'll just smudge it up by using my little smudge brush here. I like to call it my eraser brush, as you know, and then I'll just give it that softness. So if you feel like you added a little too much liner, you can easily just take it across and smudge it up. So you have really just a really pretty soft line and it's not too harsh. Going in with my Volume Up mascara, this is going to add beautiful coats of creamy mascara. So we go to the base of our lashes. This one has all these little teeth on it. You can roll it if you want to. You can see it just like pulls my lashes up with it, and you get separation, you get length, you really get those lashes, even those tiny little lashes that you have. You're going to see more. You saw it on my mom, like it was amazing because every time we put on a mascara on her, it's like you didn't even see because her lashes are so straight. Even if you try to curl them, when I went in with this beautiful creamy mascara, this volumizing, it really coated her lashes. And it was the first time I've ever seen her lashes actually look like they were just black and beautiful. And she has blue eyes. She's very fair. So she needs that depth. I wouldn't put brown on her. I want to see her eyes pop and I want them to be standing out. So this mascara really, she was really thrilled because we've struggled for a long time really trying to get that mascara on those tiny little lashes. So you're going to get a false lash look very easily with this mascara. So it's an intentional mascara though. You can't just go really fast. You have to really be intentional with the lashes, separate them, and then this is the look you're going to get. So now we can perfect the skin. This is very exciting because I'm going to be sharing with you 3 new products. Actually, 4 new products. So first, let's do the Just Peachy. This is going to be my color corrector. I like to be able to sweep it. I still have something going on here. I will just put it on that. I just need to color correct that. Underneath my eyes, bringing it down. This is going to really give my skin this beautiful look. Now what do is I'm using the peach because it's going to correct this grays, the blues underneath my eye area here. You don't need too much, or maybe you need to layer a little bit. It's up to you. So again, remember, this has shea butter in it, so it's going to nicely press into the skin. It's going to melt into the skin. So you can see the difference before and after when I put this on. You can see that brightening that I have. Now, if it doesn't cover all of your darkness that you want, you can go back over with your concealer. Pick the concealer of your choice, use my concealer, whatever works best for you. So this is going to be my first step to color correct the skin. I need to lift the skin first before I put on BB cream, foundation, etc. So you'll see here, just gonna go in, I'm gonna press it in. And again, remember, you want that mascara to be dry before you start doing this step. Because if you start blinking and you're going on something that is going to be, if you put on a face oil or if you put on the Just Peachy, you don't want it to mix in. You wanna make sure it's dry before you do this step. I'm going to take my No Redness color corrector that's going to cancel out redness. So I like to do it around my nose, sometimes on my chin right here, depending on what's happening with my blemishes, but you usually have that redness right there. I want to take that away because it will show through underneath my BB cream. And this is what's so exciting is that my BB cream is coming back out. I don't have an exact date, but I want you to know what it looks like and how it performs so you can actually add it to your wait list or your wish list. I'm going to put it on the website so you can do that. So you'll be the first to know when it's back in stock. No Redness is on, canceling out that redness in my skin. So I have a really nice canvas ready for my BB cream. So my BB cream is cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and it is clean beauty. This is something that was very important to me. I put it into an airless pump. I'm using light. We have 4 colors. We're gonna have fair, light, light, medium, and tan. I redid the whole structure of the colors so it was more forgiving and you can fit better into each category. So I only really need a pump or maybe a pump and a half. If you put too much on, you're over dispensing. This is a product that's going to really hug the skin and moisturize the skin. The reason why it took a little bit longer than usual is because I had a formula that I had really perfected, and then I said, you know what, it's not right. So I went back and I changed something. So it's really my fault. Because I know what I wanted to apply to your skin. I know how I wanted it to work. I wanted that burst of hydration. I wanted it to feel amazing on your skin, and it had to be right. So this is why we could be waiting a tad bit longer, but at the end of the day, it's going to be perfect and it's going to be right. So you can see that this is going on beautifully. This is about a blur. This is not about putting on something heavy. And also, I didn't want it to stay shiny on your skin. Like the last formula, I felt like when I applied it to your skin, it wasn't setting properly, where I felt like I could move it and it would move with my brush after it should have been set up. So now this is going to set up nicely. It's not going to be too shiny, but it's going to give you that hydration. And look, that was a pump and a half. And I had my whole face. So it's going to be really nice. You're going to love it. And I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud of this formula. This is made in Italy and it is just beautiful. So when I wear this during the day, especially here in the heat and the humidity, I feel like my skin's comforted. It's not greasy. It's not oily. I don't feel like I would touch it and it would just like literally leave a big, like I would be taking it off my face. So this is our new BB cream that's coming out. It's totally worth it. And I understand if you can't wait and you're, a little bit like maxed out with, just the time it's taken, but I am really proud of this formula. I think that you're going to be very impressed and I can't wait to hear what you have to say. So again, 4 colors. It's coming out possibly, I don't have an exact date, but it could be coming out in September. And it's just going to be a really, really great addition to the line. So now I'm going to just set with my Nikita Banana. This is reformulated. It comes in our new compact. So you'll see it has the debossed N on here. So I'm gonna just take my powder brush. You can take a sponge also if you want to just set in different areas. This is a setting powder. It's not to be used completely covering the face. I'm going to just take a little bit and I'm gonna go underneath in my T-zone area. So Nikita Banana is setting the BB cream, the Just Peachy. Now, this is one of our new blush palettes. You have the same beautiful rose pattern. You have a beautiful compact, which you have these beautiful blushes, and this is called Afterglow. So this is the peach palette. This is beautiful for cool tones, for warm tones, depending on what you're wanting to see. If you love that peachy glow, if you really want to have that more of that vacation kind of look, that warming, it's so beautiful. Again, you can sweep across or you can just customize the blush. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just give a little bit of color to my cheeks. Now this is really exciting. We haven't had any new blushes that have come out for years. So this is a really beautiful one. It's one of 3. So you'll be seeing those coming up in my makeup tutorials, the different colors. And this is also made in Italy. Just silky smooth, beautiful on the skin. If you've been using our blush palettes, you are going to see just how beautiful these colors are going to be on your skin and really an enhancement for you. So that is the blush. Now we're gonna go into the creme brulee. This is the hybrid. This is going to just warm everything up. I'm gonna take my blush brush. I'm going to just swirl it around and I'm going to give a little bit of that dimension and that contour. But what I like about this is that I can put it really anywhere I want to warm up the skin, and it's not going to be too much. I couldn't do this with other bronzers. I'm pretty fair. So I would like to, especially during the summer, I would like to look a little more bronzed. Like I've kind of been on vacation. I haven't been on vacation in 4 years, but that's okay. I'm going to do it with my creme brulee. So you're going to see, I can go over. I love how this blush so it gives that, see that little bit of radiance? It's just really pretty. So this is creme brulee. It is available now for pre-order and it's on special for just the pre-order. So that is some of the new products that I hope you are going to enjoy. Going in with my simple Cameo, this is my favorite waterproof lip liner, and I'm going to top it with my Nick which is my favorite just combo. These two are my favorite combos. And we're going to just give this natural lip. I find that my lip liners go on beautifully when I have on my rose lip balm. Gives it that nice moisture, it doesn't drag. Nick Ray is on the lips. And of course, I'm going to add just a little bit of Manifest and Glow. It's like a golden kind of clear lip gloss. Just kind of going with the whole feel of this look. You can do a little brow pencil if you want to. This is actually dark blonde. I can go in with brownie if I want to also. Just giving any kind of fill-in if you need to. I have a couple fragrances that would really complement this look, and I think that this really completes the kind of whole mood, and they're not rose, believe it or not. So I have two Erin Lauder perfumes that are really beautiful that I have bought. Mediterranean Honeysuckle Mimosa, it's very pretty, and I also have Wild Geranium. So these are really nice and light during the summer. I really do love these two. And then I bought, last year, I bought the Ilio. This is a hair mist from Diptyque. It smells beautiful. It's like the Mediterranean. I love hair mists because they're less expensive and you kind of get that whole vibe and the same feeling. And maybe you're not into fragrance and you just want to do a hair mist and you're getting the same thing, but just less. Or you can do Beach from Bobbi Brown. If you really want to have that vacation feel, very, like you literally will smell like the beach, brings back so many great memories. It's a really wonderful fragrance if you're really into smelling like sea salt and the beach and sunscreen and what have you, but sunscreen, like old school sunscreen. It's really beautiful. It's a really nice smell. So this is the look. I hope you enjoy the sale that we have for 4th of July. I hope you love the pre-order. I cannot wait to hear your comments about the compacts, about how easy they are to open, about the new formulations, about just the performance of my products that are specifically made for mature women, for you, the woman that sits in my chair here on Fierce Aging, and really skin comes to life, confidence comes to life, just the whole feeling. It's just all wrapped in one. And that's why I have this beautiful rose on all of my packaging and everything, because that's what you are. You are in full bloom. You are evolving. You are embracing. You are changing. You are loving every aspect of your mature skin, of your mature beauty, of your mature everything. So I can't wait to hear what you have to say. And until my next video, I'll see you later.